This is the Craftsman Spotlight, and it takes the Craftsman batteries that are 20 volt any size. So if you have the Craftsman tools, it takes your batteries. This is going up through the woods. That orange target in the middle, way down through there, is 75 yards. And it has a low. Bring me the O-lot. So this is what the O-lot looks like. I did a review on this already. And that's turbo mode.